The Basi Baptist Church is celebrating the Mother's Day today.
Alright, so at this time, guys, you can move up again here in front and you can personally give your gifts, tokens, or flowers for your moms as a simple expression of your love and gratitude. So you can give your gifts, flowers, and specially prepared letters for your nanays, mama, and whatever you call them.
Akon anak, ito nakamaron, naghatag ang regalo pa niya nanay. Dudat iya mama. Kita kira nila gumulbus-bus ng malit.